Now let's move to question number 4. A is a dealer in Banaras, UP. He supplies goods or services worth rupees 8,000 to a dealer B in Agra, UP. Dealer B in turn supplies the same goods or services to dealer C in Patna, Bihar at a profit of rupees 1,200. Find the input and output taxes for the dealer C under GST system. If the rate of GST is 18% and C does not sell his goods or services further. So now let's move to the solution. Since A is a dealer in Banaras, UP, who supplies goods or services to a dealer B in Agra, UP. So it is the case of intra-state transaction. For dealer A in Banaras, UP, selling price equal to 8,000 rupees. Since it is a case of intra-state transaction, so we need to calculate CGST and SGST. Here GST equal to 18%. Therefore CGST equal to SGST equal to 18 by 2, that is 9%. Therefore CGST equal to 9% of selling price. 9% of selling price equal to 8,000. 9 by 100 into 8,000. 20 cancel out. 9 into 80, that is equal to 720 rupees. Similarly, SGST equal to 9% of 8,000, that is equal to 720 rupees. Now output tax for dealer A in Banaras, that is tax on sale equal to CGST plus SGST, that is equal to 720 plus 720 equal to 1,440 rupees. Now input tax for dealer B in Agra equal to 1,440 rupees. Tax on purchase. Now cost price for dealer B equal to 8,000 rupees. Profit equal to 1,200 rupees. Therefore selling price for dealer B equal to cost price plus profit, that is equal to 8,000 plus 1,200, that is equal to 9,200 rupees. Now goods or services supplies from Agra, UP to Patna for dealer C. So it is the case of interstate transaction. Since it is the case of interstate transaction, so we need to calculate IGST. Here selling price equal to 9,200 rupees for dealer B. Therefore, IGST equal to 18% of selling price, that is now 9,200. 18 by 100 into 9,200, 20 cancel out, 18 into 92, that is equal to 1,656 rupees. Now output tax for dealer B in Agra, that is tax on sale, equal to 1,656 rupees. Since for dealer B in Agra, UP, output GST equal to 1,656 rupees and input GST, tax on purchase, equal to 1,440 rupees. Input tax credit. Now input tax for dealer C, that is tax on purchase, equal to 1,656 rupees. Since C does not sell his goods or services further, therefore output tax for dealer C equal to 0 rupees. So it is the solution of this question. Stay tuned and keep watching for more videos.